Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen.
In today's video, we are making this beautiful birthday cake with blue ombre tones for my church's August birthday celebration. Stick and stay with me as we make this beautiful cake you are seeing.
Ingredients for today's blue ombre top forward cake include our ermine buttercream frosting, which the recipe is linked below. This is our recent recipe upload you can check out, and I've colored it in 3 shades of blue to make an ombre effect on the cake we'll be making. We'll also be using our homemade fondant, which the recipe is also linked below, and I've colored it in the shade aqua blue, and used our fondant rod, the mat, and then the alphabet cutters to make this August birthday inscription for the cake we are making. We'll also be using our no sugar milk and vanilla syrup. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. And today we are using 3 cake layers, starting with an 8-inch cake layer, which is a vanilla chocolate chip cake. We have a recipe for that on the channel, you can check out. And we also have our red velvet chocolate chip cake and our coffee chocolate chip cake, and all these recipes are linked below. For the tools, we'll be using 3 different cake scrapers. One is metallic and the others are rubber or plastic. We'll use some scissors, gold balls, we'll use unedible flowers, skewers for support, a serrated knife, offset spatulas, our complete cake box and the complete cake set. We'll also be using a serving tray, other cake boards, some parchment paper, solution tape for securing the board to our turntable, as well as our silicone spatulas. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. To begin, I'm going to bring the cake out of the Ziploc bags and then out of the cling film wraps that were used to cover it before freezing. This was done to prevent it from getting hard and also soaking up any form of flavor from our fridge. After removing the cake layers, we are going to trim the tops and then we begin the assembling process. For the red velvet chocolate chip, when the top is trimmed, I'll divide it into 2. But all the others are just a single layer cake, so we'll work with them just like that. After the trimmings is done, I'll pick our turntable, then we place our cake board on it. I'll clean the surface of the board with some tissue, and then we add our ermine buttercream frosting, starting with the deepest shade of blue. Then we place onto it our chocolate chip vanilla cake, and then we start frosting it. This is kind of a crumb coating process. Today we won't be trimming the sides of the cake. We are just going to crumb coat it. After working on the first cake layer, which is the 8-inch, we move on to the 6-inch and then finally the 4-inch. Our 6-inch cake layer is our chocolate chip coffee cake. So we are going to work on that with the second deepest shade of blue. Each cake layer is drizzled with the no sugar milk and vanilla syrup, so note that. And if you want more details on how I assemble my cakes, you can check out our playlists for cakes and chocolate lovers on the channel, and you'll find more videos on mini cakes that we've made with very detailed processes involved. After crumb coating all 3 cakes, we are going to work on the bottom part, which was fixed to the cake boards, by flipping them onto themselves with the aid of some parchment paper and a spare board. We'll do this for all 3 cake layers, and then we'll cover the bottom parts in frostings according to the ones that were used in their crumb coating. Then we place them in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes at most before we start the assembling process properly. This is a top forward cake, so we have to do that so that any side that is flipped will look presentable. As the cakes are freezing, we are going to work on our flowers by removing them from the stem that they are placed on, and then we work on the removal of our gold balls onto our work surface. For our top forward cake, we have 2 recipes already available on the channel you can check out on how to do it. We have one with the application of fondant and one with the application of buttercream frosting. So check out any of those videos for the gist and full details on how to do it on your own. For today's video, I wouldn't show how I placed the first 2 cakes, we'll just show how we placed on the last cake. But if you want detailed processes, check out any of those videos and I've linked them below. After frosting both cake layers, which includes the 6-inch and the 8-inch, I'll use our scraper to scrape off the excesses, smoothing out both cakes to make them look as beautiful as possible before we add on the 3rd cake layer. And this is how all 3 cakes look. I'll add onto it our fondant inscription, which reads #AugustBonds. This cake is being made for August's birthday celebration in my church. As I was doing the smoothing out, I added an uncolored ermine buttercream frosting just to highlight certain parts of our cake and give it a nice touch on the bottom part, so that when we add in our decorations, they can look as visible and as beautiful as possible. And this is how they look like after placing on our decorations. So we'll add onto it our birthday topper, which inscribes happy birthday, and it's in a circular design. We'll add it right in front of our 3rd and smallest cake layer just to finish off the look. And this is how our cake looks like. So we are going to leave it in our fridge overnight, since we did this in the evening, and the cake will be delivered tomorrow morning at church.
It's the next morning, so we are going to package it like we do per usual. We add the top, and then we'll add the gold ribbon.
And this is how the packaged cake looks like. It's time for us to deliver it to church, and this is how I delivered it to church. This is a picture of the birthday celebrants and the cake we made as they were doing the birthday celebration. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.